Hello guys. If you want to see how did I do this look guys and a little vlog, stay tuned guys. Hello guys, this is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stop. Welcome back to my channel. Hello guys. This week is why I always do this guys. I don't know. But this week guys is Denver Restaurant Week, and this month it started on Feb 21 until March 1st guys. So today is the second day of the restaurant week, and if you're not from Denver, you're not from Colorado guys, that means that you go to different restaurant and they have a discount. So either the restaurant is expensive or a high-end restaurant here in Colorado guys, if you want to try the restaurant and you think like, oh, that restaurant is very expensive, well, today is the day. This week is the week that you must try guys. So that's what we do. I think this is what our third or fourth year that me and my husband usually go to Denver Restaurant Week guys, and we are trying different restaurant because not all the time that I'm not saying like you can't afford, but you're thinking is like, oh, it's too expensive, but they have a deal guys, deals. So they have category, like this restaurant is like $35, would say for 2 meals, or like salad or main course. And then there's a little bit high end for like $45 guys for 3 course. So you have a dessert, main, or a salad or soup. So yeah, that's it guys. And I'm just gonna do very quick makeup guys, and I don't know what I'm gonna do for the makeup, but I will try to do vlogs guys. I don't know if I'm gonna try to bring my camera aside from my cell phone. So let's see which one. I don't know guys, if it's dark in there, if I could take a video, I'm not sure. Let's see guys. So, and I will tell you. Oh, so we're going to Bear Plus Bottle. That's the restaurant that we're going to tonight guys. So let's start it guys. Let's go back to the first color guys, the Bing. Bing Bing Bing. I love to put my eyeshadow all the way on the top guys, because I have hoodie eyes. When you're like, especially if you have a long lashes and you open your eyes, your makeup is gone. Just kidding. Back. And then let's put the, what is this name? Turn on. This one, guys. I don't know if you can see it. That one. Same. Let's get it on, guys. Turn on. Let's go back to the second eyeshadow, guys, the Devilish. I'm going back to the second eyeshadow, guys, but I'm using a tiny brush. Why not? More. Let's try the other one. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am not happy with this shimmer in front of my inner corner, so I will go back to turn on, guys. This one here, the turn on. The shimmery splendid. Shimmery splendid. And I will wet my brush, guys, because it's not showing. Give me some light. Is it working? Can't see. Still the same. What do you think, guys? Whatever. I will continue to my face, guys. So, continue to my face. I'll be back. Buttercup, it's Buttercup, baby, that you let me down. Let's go back to the eyes, guys, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, we are back, and our lashes is on, guys. Oh my god, my eyes is so small. Can you still see? I have my fake eyelashes, guys. So, okay, we're almost done. Let me put my lipstick first, guys. It's from Huda Beauty. Trophy Wife. I always messed up this part here. Sorry guys, I was looking here in my mirror. Sorry, I itchy. It's so itchy. And we'll wait until it dry, guys, and I will put the Crazy Rich by Too Faced, guys. So let's put our highlights first by Anastasia Amerizi. I'm glad I bought this one, guys, before when it, you know, when it's still available. It's still available. I think now you can't find it. It's okay, I think that's it. You're blinded by me. Let's put the lip gloss, guys. Lip gloss. Just in the middle. Okay, guys, last step would be our Urban Decay Night All-Nighter Lighter or All-Nighter. Holy cow, I don't have my fan in here. Ooh, boy. Okay, guys, I am done with my look, guys, and I'll see you in my vlogs. Okay, guys, we just arrived here in the restaurant, guys. Here's the restaurant at the back. So we're still waiting for our friends to come. Let's go. Yum. Hello.
YouTube
Hello. Yum.
Mostly just the cream cheese. There's a few other extra ingredients that go into the filling, but it's...
What you got? Is that salmon?
Which one did you get, Miss Terry?
I got the cod.
Okay. You got cod fish?
Yeah. What you got? What is that? Oh, the mushroom? Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
I thought it's a fish, though.
Yeah, I guess I could tell now.
I think this part looks like a mushroom. Over there. I like the way they put like the different layers.
Is this like mashed potatoes?
I don't know. Try it. Very
Share food. And we're like meringue.